Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a business and use Google Sheets to handle sensitive information, this video is going to be essential for you. Today we're going to look at exactly how to protect your Google Sheets so you can control who edits your data and keep everything secure and organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in safeguarding your valuable company spreadsheets and know exactly how to share access only with the right people. Alright, let's dive right in. Imagine you've got an important business spreadsheet open, a financial tracker, an employee roster, or maybe a project timeline with sensitive deadlines. The first step in protecting it is to head down to the bottom of your screen where the sheet names are displayed. You'll see little tabs for each sheet. Now hover your mouse over the specific sheet you want to lock down. Right-click on that sheet tab. Don't worry if you've never used this right-click menu before, it's packed with powerful options. From that menu, look for and select the Protect Sheet option. This is where Google gives us real control over who can make changes, not just who can see it, but who can actually edit data. A panel will slide in from the right side of your screen and you'll see an option that says Add a Sheet or Range. This is really helpful because sometimes you'll want to protect a whole sheet and other times just a specific set of cells. For today, let's stick with protecting the entire sheet, because often in business, that's the level of security we need. So make sure Sheet is selected. It should automatically highlight if you right-click the correct tab. Now click on Set Permissions. This is the heart of the process, and it's where you decide exactly who gets to change things. At this point, you have two choices. If you want to keep the sheet locked down just for yourself, maybe because it has payroll details or confidential strategies, you'll simply choose the Only You option. This means you're the only one who can make edits, and everyone else will be able to view but not alter anything. It's like locking your office door but letting others look in through the window, great for oversight without risk. But sometimes collaboration is necessary. Maybe you have a team member who needs to update sales data or a manager who should edit timelines. In this case, choose the Custom option. Here you'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of specific colleagues who need edit access. Just type their emails into the field provided. It's okay to take a moment here to double-check you've got the right people. Granting access is a serious responsibility, like handing out keys to your business. After you've added everyone who needs permission, don't forget to hit the Done or Save button at the bottom. If you miss this step, your changes won't take effect. And that's it. Now you've put a solid fence around your Google Sheet. No more accidental edits from team members who shouldn't have access, and you can rest easy knowing your data is protected. If you ever need to change permissions, you can come right back here and update the list, flexible and secure. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more tutorials on managing your business tools and tech, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. See you in the next video.